Hi, my name is Alexey Swist and this is my application video.
Let's go. In my life I have two general things. First, it's my university, and I spend a lot of time in university. And this is my university.
English, please.
This is my typical day in university, and I have a lot of cars and things, and welcome. Today I feel very interested. Subject called geomorphology, and now I have doing my homework. Sorry, I am doing my homework, and you can see that it's like map, and you must describe all the things, what all district that located in this map. I also have it's like map as this, and you can make this, and you see there is some district that I must describe. I like it. Now I will ask my friend what he thinks about me. This is Kirill. He's my roommate, and what you do with me? It's funny. This is my colleague Luda, and what can you say about me?
Swist is very active and optimistic person. I know him for 12 years, and he is awesome.
Summer projects. Together, man.
Down the road I go.
I'm creative.
Down the road I go.
This is my lecture of geomorphology. Look, it's my professor. Our professor.